Welcome to Machine Solutions, the channel that takes you inside the real working world of heavy machines and skilled craftsmanship. Today's video follows the complete journey of wood, from towering trees deep in the forest, through dangerous logging operations and heavy transport, all the way to advanced timber factories where raw logs become precision-built wooden structures. This is where nature, machinery, and human skill come together. The journey begins high above sea level, where professional loggers work in some of the most demanding environments in American forestry. Here, trees grow tall and dense, often on steep slopes where machines cannot safely operate. In these conditions, chainsaws and human skill remain essential tools. Logging at high altitudes is not just physically demanding, it is dangerous. Uneven ground, strong winds, changing weather, and massive tree weight leave no room for mistakes. Every cut must be planned. Every movement must be deliberate. A single miscalculation can send thousands of pounds of timber falling in the wrong direction. Experienced loggers first assess the tree's natural lean, internal stress, and surrounding obstacles. They clear escape paths before cutting even begins. Using powerful professional-grade chainsaws, the loggers create precise notch cuts that control the direction of the fall. The back cut follows carefully, allowing gravity to do the rest. Once the tree is down, the work continues. Branches are removed and the trunk is cut into transportable sections. Even on the ground, danger remains. Logs can roll unexpectedly, especially on slopes, and chainsaw kickback is always a risk. This type of logging plays a critical role in sustainable forestry. Selective cutting allows mature trees to be harvested while younger growth continues to thrive. The harvested timber will later serve construction, housing, and manufacturing industries across the country. What you're seeing here is not speed for the sake of speed. It is controlled efficiency built on years of experience. These loggers understand the land, the trees, and the tools they use. Their work is the first and most important step in the wood production chain. Once prepared, the logs are staged and ready for the next phase of their journey: transportation out of the forest and into the industrial supply chain. With the logs cut and staged, heavy transport takes over. Machines like the legendary Pacific P16 logging truck represent raw hauling power, built to carry massive loads from remote forests to sawmills. These trucks connect wilderness logging sites to the factories where wood processing truly begins. After leaving the forest, the logs arrive at a modern timber facility, the heart of wood transformation. This is where natural material meets engineering precision. Inside the factory, the first focus is design and planning. Every project begins digitally, using detailed 3D models that allow engineers and designers to visualize each beam, joint, and connection long before any wood is cut. This approach reduces waste, improves accuracy, and ensures the final structure fits perfectly when assembled. Licensed engineers work across multiple states, designing everything from custom homes to large timber frame barns and commercial buildings. Each structure is engineered for strength, longevity, and regional building codes. Once the designs are finalized, the real production begins. Massive timbers are fed into state-of-the-art CNC machines, the modern backbone of traditional timber framing. These machines cut each beam with remarkable accuracy, often within 1/100th of an inch. Mortises, tenons, dovetails, and complex joints are all shaped automatically, but according to time-tested joinery principles. Despite the advanced technology, craftsmanship still plays a vital role. After machining, each timber is hand-numbered, sanded smooth, and carefully inspected. This ensures that every piece fits exactly as intended during assembly. One defining feature of true timber frame construction is joinery. Unlike modern construction that relies on metal fasteners, authentic timber frames use wood-to-wood connections, secured with oak-pegs. Mortise and tenon joints, dovetails, and scarf joints distribute load naturally and allow the structure to flex and settle over time without weakening. Another important advantage of modern CNC machining is the ability to create housed joints. These joints account for natural wood shrinkage, ensuring that gaps do not appear as the timber dries. This results in structures that remain tight, strong, and visually clean for decades. Material selection is also critical. Eastern white pine is commonly used for its affordability, light color, and stable performance. It is sourced from responsibly managed forests in the northeastern United States. For higher-end projects, Douglas fir is often chosen. Stronger and denser, with a warmer reddish tone, it performs exceptionally well in large spans and commercial structures. Sustainability is built into the production process. Sawdust and wood scraps generated during cutting are not wasted. Instead, they are collected, shredded, and compressed into timber briquettes, clean-burning fuel used for heating and campfires. This ensures that nearly every part of the harvested tree is utilized. Once completed, timber frame kits are carefully packaged. Each kit includes pre-cut beams, detailed diagrams, numbered components, and specialized tools to assist with assembly. This allows builders and homeowners to raise complex wooden structures with confidence and efficiency. From forest to factory, this process represents a rare balance, ancient woodworking traditions enhanced by modern technology. The result is durable, sustainable wooden structures that stand as both functional buildings and works of craftsmanship. As this journey comes to an end, we've seen how trees harvested in challenging conditions travel through powerful machines and skilled hands to become lasting wooden structures. From dangerous forest logging to precision factory production, every step plays a vital role. Thank you for watching Machine Solutions. If you enjoy real machinery, traditional craftsmanship, and the industries that build our world, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us again for the next journey from raw material to finished masterpiece.